I'm going to show you how to replace a charger cord on your Mopit machine. You'll get a charger cord like this and the grommet, or you can reuse this grommet. We're going to first unwind the cord here. We're going to undo this bolt, and then you can just go ahead and pull that grommet right off along with the cord, and pull this cord out. Grab your new cord, and the grommet. You just slide this grommet on. It has a slit in it, so it makes it easier to get on. Grab your charger cord, go ahead and plug it in, and you can fold it back a little bit so that it'll close. Put your charger cord in the grommet, and then twist your grommet about a quarter turn so that that cord doesn't come out. Just like that. Get the slack out, and then make sure that that gets folded in there. And you can go ahead and close your door here, and then put your cord back. That's it.